This halakha in regards to tonight, we all know Tu B'Shvat is a minhag that comes from the Kadmonim, comes from the times of the Mishnah. What is this day? What is this special day of Tu B'Shvat all about? So he says, Yom Tu B'Shvat hu Yom Rosh Hashanah La'ilanot. The Mishnah tells us Tu B'Shvat is a day of Rosh Hashanah La'ilanot. What does that mean in regards to Rosh Hashanah La'ilanot? שיש כמה הלכות שתלויים ביום זה, בדיני עורלה, דיני תרומות מעשרות. There's many halachot that are in regards to this halakha, in regards to Trumot, Ma'asrot, and Orla. Today, all these halachot are not so applicable to us, and therefore people don't understand what it means, Rosh Hashanah Le'ilanot, really. But in the olden days, the inventory to the year's produce was done at this point of time. Whatever you made at this point, this is when the beginning of the year starts, and this is where you have to take off whatever you have to take off, and everything starts from now new. Everything is fresh. So therefore, this is a special time, even from the times of the Gemara, even from the times of the Mishnayot. So what are we supposed to do on this day? For us, we don't have Orla, we don't have Trumot, we don't have Ma'asrot really applicable for us. So what does this day mean for us? So it became a minhag. Minhag berov tefusot Yisrael, belel Tu B'Shvat, on the night of Tu B'Shvat, which is tonight, לעטר את השולחן בכל פירות האילן, to sit down and have many different kinds of fruits. בפירות שבעת המינים, a person should have preferably from the שבעת המינים שנשתבחה בהן ארץ ישראל, כל איש כאשר תשיג ידו. Whatever you could do, as many fruits, the better. Whatever you can get, obviously up to a certain point where you're eating like human. Again, the person doesn't have to eat what he doesn't want to eat. As much as a person wants to eat, a person should try to bring a bit of show the hashivut of the fruits. And make sure you make the berachot on the fruits. In regards to berachot, as we said, it's preferable to have all the kinds of berachot. The person should have mezonot, you should have a gefen, grape juice, wine, whatever you want to have. Have ha'etz. Preferably a person should bring from the shiv'at haminim, from the tmarim, from the dates. That's really the first of the shiv'at haminim, and the person should have the ha'etz on that. Adamah, shehakol. Person should make all the berachot. Obviously, if you made a gefen on wine, you wouldn't make a shehakol on a drink, so you would have to get something else to be able to make a shehakol on. Again, person should try to get all the berachot. Again, and he should get as many fruits as he could in order that he should be mekayem this minhag of Israel, to show our hashivut, to show how important it is the day of Tu B'Shvat is to us.